Page 77, Journey by Camel. Top of the page, introducing a new word we got to learn, and you'll see it is very common. RIT is the abbreviation for it. It's retardando. It simply means to gradually slow down. It's very common. There is no symbol that equals it. It has to be this. You'll either see the word retardando, I'll spell it, or you'll see RIT, to gradually slow down. And there's times in music when you'll just do it even though the word's not there. You do it anyway. Not all the time, but sometimes in interpreting the piece, slowing down at the end is appropriate. We'll get there. We'll talk about it. Now, for this journey thing, it's 4 lines long, no repeat sign, treble and bass clef, 4/4 time, quarter notes, whole notes, half notes. We can deal with all that, I hope. We have accidentals. We got sharps and flats again. Okay. Right hand first. Let's make sure we have the notes and the rhythms okay. You're starting out with thumb on this high C. I just gave you the answer to the question. So put you here. And you hold that down for 4 counts, and then hold that down for 4 counts, and then third measure. 1, 2, F sharp is here, and then E flat is here. You just come across. Weird. 1, second line's the same, more or less. Third line, measure 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1. Get the idea? Okay, left hand. Well, what the left hand's doing, the tonic and dominant we talked about on the previous, and that's really all it's doing, these 2 notes. Either quarter notes, and I'm just rocking here, or together. Whole notes or whatever. Put the hands together. You're here, then here. This must be the camel walking, as near as I can tell. Get the idea, I hope. Let's go down to the bottom. The last line, it's the last 2 measures. You have here. The left hand comes up there. 2 beats rest, but you have an 8 VA under that last note. So it gives you time to come down here, an octave lower, both notes. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you're happy with that, you might try the articulation. The staccatos in the left hand, I'm going to short staccatos. And we have phrasing and staccatos in the right hand. So the left hand lifts up anyway, you gotta rest. And so lift up here. Third line, measure 9, staccato. And put a little silence between the right hand and the left hand. So it's here, here. Dynamics, go to the right hand, that's the melody. Moderately loud, whatever you think moderately loud is. Then you have these hairpins, this swell, you're going to go up and back down. So in the middle of the swell, you're around the D somewhere. So you're going to go to the D, here, and then back. So you from medium loud to loud. So each one just a hair louder. And second line's the same way. And then on the third line, you start that soft. That makes the left hand, actually here you can play the left hand the same soft. Third measure over, or measure 11, you're still soft. Now go up to about a medium soft for the last measure. Now you're medium loud. In the right hand, left hand goes soft. And then at the end, you go down. Go down to soft here. So moderately loud, moderately soft, soft here. And the left hand, they have a P there. I think that applies to the top staff, the melody. So make the left hand very soft. When I play this at the end, I still want to hear this. Don't drown it out. This is soft and very soft. I want to hear this while I'm playing this. And I play this soft, so you got to play, okay. You get the idea, I hope. Speed in the middle. Think of a camel walking, not running around, just... Next to the last measure, you see the RIT in the middle. Gradually slow down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, so forth. You don't slow down to a stop, you just slow down. Let's play this together slowly and make sure you have all the notes and the rhythms correctly. I'm not going to do any dynamics, and I can't slow down at the end because the metronome won't slow down. So I'll give us 4 counts. Let's just play it together to check the notes and the rhythms. 1, 2, ready, go. Two, 3, 4, off. There's a duet for this. I'd like to play that part, and you play what we just played. You can play it right where it's written. It's okay, because the duet's playing up here, way up here. So I'll give us 4 counts, and let's play. I'm going to speed this up a little bit. 1, 2, ready, go.